Hi, I'm Rich.
Hi, I'm Karen.
Welcome to Atlas Eats. This month we're making crispy Parmesan Brussels sprouts.
Come on, Rich, we're making crispy Parmesan Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. They're gonna be fantastic.
Okay.
Get that grimace off your face. It's gonna be great.
Okay, crispy fried Brussels sprouts.
This is gonna be amazing. On three. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Oh yeah, they're good.
All right. I could use more salt, quite honestly.
Oh, they're plenty salty.
No.
Not salty enough?
No. All right. Okay, so if you didn't catch that, if it went too fast, you can find the recipe here in the description, or we'll send it out in an email.
Happy eating.